Hey everyone, welcome back to the daily dose of tech magic. Today we are diving deep into the world of Windows with the three mind-blowing tips that amaze you. Get ready to transform your PC experience with shortcuts. So buckle up, grab your mouse and prepare to be amazed. And please subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. Alright, let's get into the video. Tip number 1. Screen recording in a flash. Consider you want to record the beautiful screen before you. Well, say goodbye and forget the clunky software download. Windows has a built-in recorder just waiting to be unleashed. Just 3 magic keys. Windows, Alt and R. Boom. Instant recording. Need to stop? Press the same combo again. Windows, Alt and R. It got disappeared. It is as simple as that. Just try it out. Tip number 2. Microsoft Word magic. You open a Microsoft Word document and speak. The system will type it for you. Let us check it out. To check that, let us open a Windows document. I'm typing Windows Word and open a Windows Word document. Let me open a blank document. Here I will press the Windows key plus H. Now if you start talking, the system will type it for you. As you can see here, whatever I am saying, the system start typing it before you. Yeah, see? Check it out on your PC. Tip number 3. Control your system volume with mouse. To do that, place your cursor on the top of your volume icon in the taskbar and scroll your mouse. So as you scroll up, the voice get increased, and when you scroll down, the voice get down. Check it out in your PC. Well, that's it for now. We will meet you in another video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.